I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube video series on rotary tools. As you can see here, we have a Tacklife. Bought this from eBay, not eBay, I bought this from Amazon, under $20. Can't remember the exact price. But I bought it and I thought I'd give this a review. Okay, this Tacklife, model number RTH30DC. Different little 4-volt max, speed 11,000 to 22,000 revolutions per minute, 0.55 pounds. Now I've already opened this and I've already charged the battery up. I'm going to take this out and look at it. Here's the owner's manual. Put that aside. Charging cable. It is a Type C charging cable. Not Type C. This is a micro USB charging cable, which I would personally stay away from now. This must be an old model or old technology that they're using. But the Type C is the lot better, charges faster, easier connection. Like I said, this is a micro. Here's the accessory case, and here's the tool itself. There we go, let's put that aside. Let's look at the tool first. Tacklife RTH30DC. It is pretty small. Just by the size of it, I would compare this to the Dremel Ultra, I think that's the name of it. The small battery powered one, rechargeable. Here's where you charge the micro connection right there. Has a hanging handle hook right here. On 11,000. On high 22,000. Spindle lock button right here, which means you push this button in, and as you turn this to when you're putting in a accessory, it will lock the spindle into place. I'll show you that right here. If you're going to use this, let's just say this little nylon brush. Guess I should show you this first. It has a collet on the inside. Right here. Little collet, 1/8 inch collet. So I'll put this back on right here. There we go. Put the brush in. A little bit too tight. Let me loosen that up. There we go. Push it in all the way. This is with all accessories. Push it in all the way, then pull it out like a 1/16 of an inch. Hold down the lock button. And then get the wrench out of the accessory kit. Right here. And holding down the spindle lock. Tighten that up a little bit. Now, first thing, let's look at the run out on here. See if there's any. Tell if there's any run out. Can't really tell. I don't think there is. Now, run out is if you put in a tool or an accessory, have it locked in, and when you turn it on, if the tip makes a wider circular motion than the base of it, such as if it's going like this, could mean that this accessory is bent, but more than likely inside the tool in here is not manufactured well and is making the accessory have run out on the end. It's kind of hard to explain. See if I can do that better. If the tip is flat, and if you turn it on, if this rotates in a circle like this instead of just turning like a drill bit would, if this has a larger rotation in the end, it's got bad run out. The longer your accessory is, the easier it is to tell. But anyway, let's get back to this. It has a 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got air vents, 2 on the side, 2 each on the sides. Here is the battery indicator. Fully charged is green, getting low would be orange, and dead would be on the red. Or needs to recharge to be on the red. Let's take this one off right here, this accessory off right here. Now I've already preloaded the sanding drum on here. You just take one of these drums and put it on the sanding drum mandrel, and use your screwdriver, which is on the end of the wrench, and tighten it down. Pull it back out a little bit. Tighten that down. Let's see how much this thing will bog down on the slower speed. There we go. Let's turn it this way. Okay. Speed 1. I'm not pushing very hard. I'm basically just using the weight of the tool itself. See it bouncing. Put just a little bit of pressure on it. Low speed on high speed. Got no issues with that at all. Let's take this off here. So that is the sanding drum. Let's see, put that aside. Or there's more accessories. Let's go ahead and look at these. I'll go ahead and dump these out. We have one, 2, 3. We got 6 pink grinding stones. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Got 12 sanding drums. A sanding drum mandrel. We have a drill bit. We have a diamond coated engraver. We have a ball type carbon bit, and we have a ball type engraver. We have a screw mandrel for the polishing pads. Now, one thing I find disappointing in this kit is they give you some polishing pads. Come on, get out of there. 2 of this type and 2 of the bullet type polishing pads. But they give you polishing pads, but they don't give you any polishing compound. These polishing pads don't, they usually come with a little bitty hole in the middle, so you can tell where to screw in the mandrel here. But these don't have it. But that's your polishing pad right there. And the bullet one has a little hole in there, but it's not centered. Go ahead and put these back in there. I can't show you the polishing because there's no compound in this kit. Let's show you the drill bit right here. Put these back in the case. All the way in, out about a 1/16 of an inch. Let's see how much pressure it takes to drill a hole in this piece of wood. It's on low. I'm going to do it sideways. Easier for you to see. I want to jump around in there. It's going high. Sure isn't the best drill bits. Started smoking almost immediately. So think about that what you will. I'm not going to give you my real honest opinion on the drill bit. I think you can figure it out. Took it off so quick, didn't want to use it anymore. But under 20 bucks. It's Tacklife, rechargeable. Now, let's see here. Is it a lithium-ion? It doesn't say what type battery this is. It might in the owner's manual, but it doesn't on here. But doesn't really matter to me. Tacklife Rotary tool. I'm just going to say 20 bucks on Amazon. Can't really go wrong with it. Occasional use. If you have one of these, let us know how you like yours. I do appreciate you watching.